Hey, this is Steve at STO N SHO. We're out here at the Maserati dealership. Today we're doing this is a 22 Levante. This is a GT model, but this bracket will fit on the 23 as well. That shows the 22 Maserati Levante. There's the GT, and like most Maseratis, it's got a lot of the same bolt pattern, so this base will work on several models, but the angles in the fronts are a little bit different. So it's going to mount in the lower center there. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'll turn it over to Mike.
Alright, well thanks Steve. Alright, so we're going to start off by removing the two center factory screws. There's one here and there's one here. Now we will be reusing these. These screws will be removed and reused. This is a T27 Torx, and we'll just loosen these up. These are 6mm by, I don't know, probably 20. They're a threaded machine screw, so it's nice. You can really get a good tighten on these, and you can see these also have like a little shoulder on them, and we'll be making sure those goes into the base plate, which I'm going to grab right now. So you're going to take your factory bolt that you just removed. You can see it's a pretty good size hole there, and that's designed so that that shoulder sits right in there. And then you're going to just start that one. You're going to start the other one. And once you get it started, you just want to make sure, as you can tell now, they dropped into the shoulder. So then we're going to take our T27 Torx screw, driver there, and on a ratchet, we're going to snug those right up. It's a really simple installation. Probably the biggest trick on this is just make sure you have the Torx, the T27. Not everybody may have that, but other than that, it's really simple. Again, just don't be afraid to tighten them. It's a machine bolt, so it'll tighten pretty good. But as you can see, that was nothing, and then that bracket's like super solid right there. So then all you need to do is take your front plate, line it up into the tubes. I push it, you can see it hits the pole pin. I just get it to go past the pole pin, and then you can push it and you'll hear it click into place, and you're all done, and that's it. Very simple.
Yeah, and another thing too, we do this all the time, so it might seem obvious, but that pole pin should be on the driver's side. We have a couple brackets where that's not the case, but 99+% of the time that makes sure that pole pin is on the driver's side. And then you're just going to take your license plate, attach it to the front plate there, and you're all done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring, and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket, or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.